Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Xero with Zapier. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automate workflows between Xero and hundreds of other apps, saving you time on manual data entry and keeping your business processes running smoothly. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. Once you're on the home page, log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Zapier dashboard where you can create and manage all your automated workflows. Now click on the Zap button to start creating a new automation. This will open up the Zap Builder, which is where you'll set up the connection between Xero and your chosen app. The first thing you need to configure is the trigger. So go ahead and click the trigger button. In the search field that appears, type in and select Xero as your trigger app. This tells Zapier to watch for specific events happening in your Xero account. Next, you'll need to choose a trigger event. This could be something like new contact or new invoice, depending on what action you want to automate. Select the event that best fits your workflow needs. At this point, you'll need to connect your Xero account if you haven't already done so. Click the option to connect, and you'll be prompted to sign in to your Xero account. If you have more than one Xero organization, you'll need to confirm which organization you want to use for this integration. This ensures that Zapier is pulling data from the correct business account. After confirming your organization, configure any required trigger options. For example, if you selected new invoice as your trigger, you might need to specify a particular invoice type or status. Once you've set these options, click Continue to move forward. Now it's time to set up the action. Click the Action button, then search for and select another app. For this example, let's use Slack. Type Slack into the search bar and select it as your action app. Next, choose an action event such as send channel message or your preferred action based on what you want to happen when the trigger fires. You'll now need to connect or sign in to your Slack account. Click the connection option and log in with your Slack credentials. Zapier will ask you to grant necessary permissions so it can post or create data in Slack on your behalf. Review these permissions and click Continue to proceed. In the field mapping section, you'll see fields from Xero that you can map to corresponding fields in Slack. For instance, you might want to map invoice number, amount, and customer name from Xero into a Slack message. You can drag and drop or manually select the Xero fields to match them with the Action Apps fields. Take your time here to ensure all required fields are properly filled and mapped correctly. Once you've completed the field mapping, click Test and Review or Test and Continue to verify that data flows correctly from Xero to Slack. This step is crucial because it allows you to catch any errors before the Zap goes live. After running the test, check your Slack channel to confirm that the data appears correctly. If everything looks good and the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Your integration between Xero and Zapier is now live and will run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.